What's up, guys? Hi, 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 hi. Hi, Ashi AS. Hi, Japun. Hi, Harjaj. Hello, everyone. Long time no see. What is up? What's going on? Hi, Rishika. Hi, Aditi. Hi, Sahil. Hi, guys. Did you guys watch Khidki? Khidki is out now. Hi, hi, hi. Hi, Diyu Kotian. Hi, Namrita. Hi, Sandra. मैं इतनी सुंदर हूँ, मैं क्या करूँ? यस, मैं इतनी सुंदर हूँ, मैं क्या करूँ? खिड़की देखी कि नहीं? आप खिड़की देखिए. My new song is out now. Khidki, guys, please do go and watch it. Hi, Noor. Okay. Radhe is here. Radhe, join. I'm. Hello.
Hi.
How are you? You got stuck. Wait, let me just adjust my frame. Yeah. So
Yeah.
finally, guys, हम दिन भर इंटरव्यूज करके अब फाइनली लाइव आए हैं आप लोगों के साथ इंटरेक्ट करने के लिए. Because our new song Khidki is out.
Kid is out already on Sony Music India's page.
Yes. So Ritvik जी, आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे
जी,
अपने फैंस को?
अश्नूर जी, मेरे तो fans मतलब I think they are बेचारों are lost right now amidst all the Ashnoor fans. But hey, I see my name popping up. Hi guys. Hi, how you been? देखा आप सबने वीडियो? Did any of y'all watch the video of Khilji? Can you hear me, Noor?
So anything you would want. How was your experience of shooting?
With Ashnoor Kaur?
In general, मैं इतनी भी तारीफ नहीं सुनती हूँ अपनी.
अब भाई अब तुम इतनी सुंदर हो तुम क्या करो?
What?
अच्छा तुम इतनी सुंदर हो तुम क्या ही करोगी?
Oh, yes.
But the experience of shooting for Khidki was absolutely beautiful because uh, when I was growing up, I'm not going to say when Ashnoor and I were growing up because let's not even bring up that topic. But when I was growing up, songs like Pehla Nasha and many other beautiful romantic ballads were extremely famous. And this is one of those old school romance songs and videos, and I love being a part of it. And I think one of the finest choices that Sony Music India made was to get Ashnoor Kaur on board, and I was so glad that I got to do this video with her, and it was a lot of fun.
Uff, इतनी तारीफ. Uff.
Till now,
So yes, we did have a great time shooting. Yes, continue.
can you see me? Okay. आप बताइए
So
अशनूर
yes.
कौर कैसा था आपका एक्सपीरियंस
Oh my
शूटिंग फॉर
God.
खिड़की?
It was a great experience. बहुत मजा आया हमें शूट करके. Because obviously Pawan sir's voice is so soothing. गाना भी उसी smoothness में shoot किया है with the beautiful locations and everything. And then we had Ritvik on board. So बहुत मजा आया. I also got a nickname from him, Noor.
I
So
love that.
yes, yeah, I love it too. So we had a great time shooting, and I hope you guys like it. Okay, also somebody was saying कि Radhe is back with Patiala Babes now.
Hey! Finally, I've taken the leap from Jodhpur to Patiala. The leap that I've always wanted to take. मजा आ गया.
Oh, मजा आ गया. नहीं, सच्ची में बड़ा मजा आया shoot करके. And we had a great time. Also, guys, we'll be checking out your comments on YouTube. So do check out and give us your reviews. Shower your love. इन्हीं expressions पे जो ऋत्विक
What
दे
did
रहे
you
हैं.
What did you all think? What did you all think of Khidki? Tell us. Yeah,
What
we'll
is?
read out your comments from here also. I was saying, what did they think of Khidki? Did you all listen to the song?
Yeah, guys, give us your reviews on Khirki. So till
So
then,
as
Ritwik,
Hanji,
which
Hanji.
was your favorite part of the entire music video?
There are plenty actually. Uh, but two I'll name. One is the end of the song that we both have already agreed on. That it's our favorite section from it. Why? I guess I'll let you answer that. The other part was when you're coming out from the flower shop and I get to do a when I'm doing my dance. That oh ho जुल्फ मुझे touch करके गई.
No,
I
no,
love it.
yeah,
It's very
yeah.
cute.
Actually, I didn't tell this to you. उस time पे हम जो भी अपनी मस्ती मजाक में shooting कर रहे थे. But when I saw the video, you know that jump that you made when after the swirl and those expressions, they were so cute. Literally, like it was just
Love
like
it.
oh, one of moment कि any girl would just give her heart away at those expressions. It was
Hi.
so cute.
I love doing these filmy things and it's come out so well. That's my second favorite part from the song. What are your favorite parts from the song or the favorite part?
Again, actually, the entire music video, it's very difficult to get out one bit out of it. So, of course, the last part. Then I told you I love that part where you jumped and you did this. That was very cute. So these two parts are my favorite. Roshni, hi Roshni, how are you? Thank you. Acha. Okay, Mama is
Hi.
here. Ritik. Mama
Hi.
say hi.
I'm good. How are
Mama say
you?
Ritik.
Thank you. When am I coming over for dinner or lunch? When am I invited?
कभी भी आ जाओ.
कभी भी तो काश आ सकते.
नहीं
Tough
seriously, let's
time.
plan.
Let's plan.
Let's
Done
plan.
for sure.
Let's plan. Done done. पंजाबी वाले एकदम proper lunch मम्मा के
वही
हाथ
तो
का.
वही तो
मम्मा ऐसे एक राजमा चावल खाओगे?
बहुत खुश होके खाऊंगा. Please just me over.
Done done. We'll plan अभी जल्दी जल्दी.
Done.
Done done.
And why did you feel, Ashnoor, that you would like to be a part of a video like this, of a song like this? What made you say yes to this?
Yeah, see, it was Papon's song. So, of
Hmm.
course, like, there's no second thought about that. Second, the concept was so beautiful. I mean, those of you who watched it might know it's a very pretty concept where the two lovers and the girl can't speak or hear, and the guy is equally supportive of the girl. So, just pyar se, there's nothing that's over the top or something. That's a very 90s, 80s type of a romance, just with the expressions and the eye contact. And I guess that's how the beauty of it has come out. So everything
Yeah,
coming together, it was just chakas.
Jhakas. It was outstanding. Did you guys about why I said yes to the video? Because I have always been a fan of Papo. As I said, I love his music, I love his voice, and I really hope someday he sings to me and I get to lip sync to his song. I mean, this could have been that opportunity, but our concept was so different that there was no lip syncing. But at the same time, this was so much fun. As challenging as it is to express and tell a story without speaking a single word, it's also a lot of fun. So I'm glad that Parashar this as the subject and the concept and the way he made it. So that was very unique. But I hope one day, someday, I get to lip sync to Papon's voice.
Yeah. And also, guys, Ritvik helped me a lot in the dancing sequence, especially. जो मेरा वो
Chal chal.
उसके साथ था. नहीं, he's a very good dancer for those of you who don't know it. So he did
I
it.
she's just being very sweet. I haven't. helped her with anything. Rukhsar is saying, pink pick, pink pick. What is this new thing that you've called me today? What is pink pick?
Pink
This
pink?
is the fifth. This is the fifth. I've already said your name.
What? I didn't get it.
She called me pink pick. Rukhsar Rahman is a
Oh,
fantastic actor. She's a star, and she's been around for very long, and she's my friend. And she has. Yes, I took your name. I said Rukhsar. Stop
who
saying
is
that.
it? अरे मुझे
Rukhsar
दिख ही
Rahman.
नहीं रहा.
Look for Rukhsar Rahman.
I might have missed it. Okay, anyways, hi. Okay, so people are loving Khidki. We watched it. That's great. I
So, what are
love
the comments? What are the comments you're reading?
in the comments you can read it too. It's people say I loved Khidki.
Hmm.
Then lot of emojis, lot of love. It's more of emojis. Yeah, it's all full of emojis.
Hi, Khushi. Somebody said hi, D. So I'm assuming that's not me. That's you.
Hi. Subho Maha Sasti Ritvika and Ashnu.
Ashtam. Soshti. Shaptami. What is it? I don't know what the time is. What do you read? Shubho Maha?
Yeah, I didn't understand it. It says Subho Maha Sasti Ritvik and Ashnu. I
Shoshi.
guess it's some language.
It's the yeah, that's Bengali, and someone wished us a happy sixth day of Durga Puja because Durga Puja is
Oh,
on.
same to
And
you.
yes, Shubho Mahashoshi to you too. Khirki is best.
Hi.
Ashnur Bunch, you are best too because
Yay!
Ashnur is best three.
Kirki, we made it together.
We made it
Please
together, and
say
there was
hi,
so
Sanya.
much fun.
Hi, Sanya. Please say hi, Sanya.
Hi, Sanya.
Okay, guys. So I hope you liked Kirki, and you'll go and watch it again if you have already watched it. If you've not watched it, I'm going to post one of my favorite pictures of me and Ritvik in my next story from the music album. So I'm gonna have to swipe up to it and watch Kirki and show your love. We're gonna be checking them out. You both looked so cute. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Anything you wanna say, Ritvik, to the
I just
fans
want to say
about
that
Kirki?
I had so much fun working with Ashnu and making this video. I just hope when you see the video, you feel the love and you give it as much love too. So go ahead, check it out, watch it on repeat, and leave a comment on her profile, on Ashnu's profile, on my profile, on YouTube page of Sony Music. Just let us know what you feel about it. And yeah, we just hope you love it. Thank you.
Yay! So see you. Rajma Chawal
Bye.
will be waiting. Bye.
I'm very soon. I'll be there.
Done.
Okay. Bye, guys. Bye bye.
Okay, guys. Hi, Rupin. Hi, Namit. Sorry, guys, I just missed your comments. Hello. Kirki is amazing. Thank you. Hi, Sanya. Okay, guys. Oh, Ritvik is gone now, but I'll surely convey your. Oh, Anupamadi, Ritvik, I'm a fan of yours. So talented. Yeah, the both of you. All the very best for each and every project. Thank you so much, Anupamadi. I'll surely convey your message to Ritvik. Hi, Smile. Aja. Aja. Guys, Anish is here. he'll just say hi to you guys. Hi. बोला मैंने मैसेज किया देखना. Okay, guys, so I guess that was for it. Thank you so much for all the love and all the support. Do watch Khirki. Let me know your reviews, and tata. Many things in the pipeline. Yes, for all those who are asking me, many things in the pipeline. I'll be telling you guys soon. So yes, stay tuned. I'll keep you all updated, and tata.